In previous tutorial, we have seen how to create virtual machine running Linux operating system in Azure cloud platform. And we have also seen how to connect it remotely using PuTTY software. In this tutorial, we are going to install Apache Spark on the same virtual machine. We have already connected virtual machine. First, make the font size little visible and make the font size something like 12. Okay. Now this is inside VM admin user, but I will change it to super user by using sudo su. So now it's in root directory. Run the command sudo apt-upgrade. It will upgrade the list of available packages as well as run the command apt or sudo apt-upgrade and type Y for the yes. Now clear the screen, and now we will install the Java, and you see all this command in this notepad file. I will provide all this command in the description of this video so you can run it by your own. So copy this command and paste it here. Here I am going to install Java version 8. So once this command has been executed, clear the screen and upgrade it, update it by using the apt-update, and then run this command to install the Java. Press Y. In a while it will ask for the OK. Press OK. Press tab to move to yes and click enter. And it will install the Java version 8 from the Oracle site. So Java has been installed. Clear the screen. Now we will install Apache Spark. So go to the website and download the Apache Spark. So this is the Apache Spark website, and we have 3 versions, and the stable version is 2.4, which is the latest one as well, and we have 3 types. So click on this link. This is the mirror image. So right click and copy the link URL and come to the shell, and here wget and paste the link. So it will download Apache Spark from this mirror. This has been downloaded into tgz. This is the zip file. So write tar -xvf and the name of the zip file. It will unzip everything into the folder. Now move this unzipped folder to opt/spark root, a Spark location. So I have removed. So change directory to opt. Here is the Spark, and you can see the directories inside the Spark folder. Okay, now we have to set the environment. So copy these 2 lines and paste it here. Okay, and then copy this dash source command, and now clear the screen. Now to run the Spark, write spark -shell. In a while it will run the Spark and we can execute some command. So in this way we have installed Apache Spark.